Still using a basic dash cam? Really? The Vantrue N5 records from every angle, that's 360 degrees coverage. It features 4 cameras for front, rear, and side views. All at a crisp max resolution of 2.7K plus 1080p3. Ever heard of a rear cabin camera? This one's got it. Perfect for monitoring kids, pets, or that precious cargo. Its STARVIS 2 night vision means clear footage, even in the dark. P greater than to connect with Wi-Fi for easy access and sharing. Less than /P greater than. Built-in GPS tracks your routes and speed. Useful evidence. Less than /super greater than. Buffered parking mode ensures around-the-clock security. P greater than stop waiting. Get the Vantrue N5 now for ultimate security. Less than /P greater than.